Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, how are you doing? Good? Ya, kita stop. Tapi bahasa Jerman ya liriknya. Okay, so how is everybody's doing? Mana
I'm
nih?
fine. I'm fine, sir.
Cuma Paldi aja nih. I noticed that Akbar wants to be the meeting greeter for today. So please go ahead, Bar.
Okay, sir. Hello, guys. How are you today?
Ooh.
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thanks. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to meeting greeter today. Before we start the learning, let's do pray first. The pray start. Okay, because I'm the meeting greeter, I will the first presentation my comic, and give me a love if you allowed me to presentation my comic. Oh shit, gak ada yang very sih. Okay, I'm going to presentation my comic. The title of my comic is Pellet Mission. There are 3 characters in my comic: Akbar, Baldi, and Elizabeth. The focus my comic is one day Akbar he meet with Pedro in the park, and he asked for help. Pedro was willing to help him, but Pedro don't know what is the help. Akbar introduced the Elizabeth to Pedro, and Pedro know her. After talked long enough, they are go to home. On the way, Pedro meet with Elizabeth. Pedro told Elizabeth Akbar he wanted to meet him tomorrow at the park. Elizabeth was willing, The night, Pedro called Akbar and tell the Elizabeth will meet him tomorrow at the park. Akbar so happy. And the next day they are meet in the park. Akbar expressed his feeling for Elizabeth, but he's rejected. But gimana sih mau bilang ditolak?
He's rejected.
Is rejected because he is poor. Then Pedro tells him the girls will never respect to poor boys. From here, we know that having a friend is better than a girlfriend, and we have to be rich boy, so we are respect. Okay, guys, this is my presentation, my comic. Do you have any question? But I hope you don't have a question.
Yeah, thank you, Bar. That is good job. It was a good job. Jadi ceritanya curhat ya. And ini cerita tentang the story is about a matchmaker. Apa ya, Mak Comblang. Paldi is the matchmaker. Paldi is the Mak Comblang. So we don't have any question today, and we thank you for sharing and presenting your comic. But we have to move to another topic because this is the unit 4. We are talking about the descriptive text. Ya, kita masuk ke unit 4 dulu. So we'll find another way. Another day for your presentation time. Thank you so much for being a very wonderful meeting greeter, Bar, and very insightful story about your, your love story. Is it your love story, Bar?
Love story sih?
Is it yours? Your experience?
My experience enggak sih.
Oh, enggak.
This is the expression some people sih.
Atau si Paldi ini?
Enggak lah sih. Curhatan anak meme itu sih.
Okay. Thank you so much. Well, so today we are moving to the new chapter, to the new unit of our lessons. And I already posted the PPT and then the quiz on your Google Classroom. Nanti bisa dicek di sini, nak. Let me share my screen first about the Google Classroom. Sebentar. Ini hari ini kita agak banyak nih. Oops. Udah saya close pula. Ini hari ini kita agak banyak. Nanti cek di Google Classroom yang di PPT untuk PPT-nya, and then di material untuk PPT-nya, and then in the quiz untuk yang quiznya ada juga tanggalnya. So make sure you hit it based on the date. Okay? And so today what we're going to talk, in this unit, we are going to cover 3 activities. Number 1 is you are able to explain the condition of a thing. Use or describe something, a condition, the plus situation. Nanti bisa menggambarkan sesuatu, menjelaskan sesuatu. And then we learn about the comparative adjective. And so you are able to use the comparative adjective correctly. And then you can explain the social context, the social function of the text. Kita ada apa aja yang dibahas di sini selama unit 4, selama unit about descriptive text akan ada 4 pertemuan ya. We are going to have 4 meetings for this unit. Number 1, which is today, we are going to talk a lot about the grammar. And then the next meeting next week, we are talking more about the text itself, tentang teksnya, terus analisis, and then reading comprehension. And then the next 2 weeks, 2 minggu selanjutnya, we are having a game and then a writing, and then the last is presentation. So you also have a time to present your writing the next 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Yeah, this is what we're going to have for this unit, for this chapter. Now, for grammar, I think this is easy karena udah saya jelasin juga sih sebenarnya tentang comparative adjective kalau nggak salah. Just want to review ya. So look at this one. My question is, Lihat ya pertanyaannya. Which tower is the tallest? Which tower is the tallest? Tallest.
Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa.
Khalifa. So how do you, coba lihat. What is tallest? What is tallest?
Tertinggi.
Yang paling tinggi, sir.
Yang paling tinggi, ya. So this is from the word tall. And then dia menjadi tallest. Tinggi, paling tinggi. Look, ada ditambahin kata less-nya di sini, est di belakangnya. So this is how to show paling dalam bahasa Inggris. Ada kata sifatnya, and then adjektifnya ada, and then you need to add the est at the end of as the is it suffix sebagai sufiknya. Ya. Now, which tower is the tallest? So we agree that the tallest is
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. So the Burj Khalifa, how do you say this in English then? Burj Khalifa adalah yang paling tinggi, tower paling tinggi.
Burj Khalifa is the tallest tower.
The tallest.
Burj Khalifa is the tallest tower in the world. Itu ya. So that's how it is. Jadi ada kata the, and then diikuti dengan adjektifnya. The tallest, and then adjektifnya. Next, let's compare. Kita bandingkan ini. Ini kan menunjukkan yang paling. So the comparison is among. Ini komparasinya adalah dibandingkan dengan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ada 8 tower. There are 8 towers. Jadi lebih dari 1, lebih dari 2 ya. 8 towers. Yang paling tinggi adalah Burj Khalifa. So next, take a look at this one. What about the Shanghai Tower and Makkah Clock Royal Tower? My question is, which one is taller? Which one is taller between
Shanghai.
Gimana caranya bilangnya?
Shanghai Tower is the tallest than Makkah Royal Tower.
Taller than Makkah Clock Royal Tower.
Yes, Shanghai Tower is taller. Jangan taller lah, nak. Is taller than Makkah Clock Royal Tower. Nah, itulah dia, saya singkat aja. So that's how you do it, ya. So from this type, you can see number 1, cara untuk membandingkan sesuatu adalah dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Kalau bendanya 2, if there are only 2 things, if we only compare 2 things, kalau kita cuma bandingkan 2 hal, and then you use the comparative. Pakai yang ini, taller than. Jadi ujungnya ditambahin apa nih? ER sama that. Tapi kalau ngebandingannya lebih dari 2, more than 2, then dia yang paling tuh berarti. Pakai the, and then di belakangnya tambahin est. This one clear ya?
Yes, sir.
Oke. Next, nanti kita akan lebih fokus ke situ. Next. Nah, what about the same number? I mean the same height. Kalau misalnya sama tingginya, sama besarnya, sama tampannya, sama cantiknya, then what we are using? Kalau perbandingannya equal, sama. Lihat dari kalimatnya, Dave is as tall as Dan. Ini si Dave, this one is Dave, and this one is Dan. They are as tall as. Sama. Berarti kalau membuat sama tingginya atau sama besarnya, you need the S plus S, and then
Adjective.
Adjective, ada kata sifatnya di tengah. So you need to put the adjective in the middle. For example, kita cuma mau buat Risna sama cantiknya dengan Let me give example ya. Risna sama cantiknya dengan dia. How to say that in English then?
Krishna is as
Krishna is
beautiful as dia.
Okay, so it's a Risna is ada ini ya, as beautiful as dia. Gitu dia. Okay? So if
Okay,
you want to compare the equal thing, kalau mau membandingkan hal yang sama, pakai ini. Misalnya, Valdi setampan Cristiano Ronaldo. How to say that? Coba, mungkin Risna, can you say that? Risna ada di sini. Atau dia?
Ada, sir.
Siapa tuh? Risna. Oke, Risna. Misalnya, Valdi setampan Cristiano Ronaldo.
Valdi is as handsome as Cristiano Ronaldo.
Asik. Mantap, mantap, mantap. Oke. Itu menurut Risna ya, kayak gitu. Good. Siapa itu yang jual? Oke, thank you. So that's how you do it. Oke, kalau misalnya dia sama, ya, setampan, secantik, sebaik, pakai S sama S, tambahin tengahnya dengan adjective. Oke? Let's try this one.
Okay, sir.
Let's try this one. Who can answer number 2? Ayo. Australia is big, Canada is bigger. Berarti Australia sebesar Kanada.
Canada is bigger than Australia.
Iya, berarti di sini, thank you Pak. Wait. So this one supposed to be Canada is bigger than Australia. Atau bisa juga dibuat, atau bisa juga dibuat Australia is
Smaller
as, ya bisa Australia is smaller
than Canada.
Canada. Atau bisa juga dibuat Australia is not as big as Canada. Yeah, you can use these 3 things to, to explain the stuff. Nih, Canada katanya lebih besar. Australia besar, Canada is bigger. So Canada is bigger than Australia. Atau Australia is smaller than Canada. Atau Australia tidak sebesar Kanada. Australia is not as big as Canada. Okay, what about number 3? Number 3 dia pakai apa nih? I am very tired. Kevin is also very tired. Dua-duanya
Iya,
Gimana?
sama.
Chris? Apa tadi, Nak?
Coba pakai yang kedua kan, sir, yang S, tired S gitu.
Pakai enggak? Pakai kedua enggak? Coba lihat. Pakai kedua ya.
I'm as very tired
Yes.
as Kevin.
Iya, coba tadi Risna. Thank you, Bar. Coba Risna. Sama enggak sama Akbar tadi jawabannya?
I am very tired. I am pakai as, sir.
Iyalah.
I am as very tired as Kevin.
I am as tired as Kevin. Ya.
Iya, sir.
I am as tired as Kevin. Itu dia. I'm as tired as Kevin. Okay. We skip this one. Ini udah dapat ya. So let's just move karena ini kita ada lagi nih, banyak nih, ada lumayan banyak nih yang mau dibahas. Nah, this one is the thing. Tadi kalau kita ngelihat penggunaan komparatif dan membandingkan 2 hal. Look, you are older than me. Siapa yang lebih tua? Yang 12 years old, 13 years old. Yang ini ya, this one is older. Gitu. Nah, look the different. Lihat kata, suku katanya. Look at the syllable. For this one, older, kata dasarnya apa nih?
Old.
Old. Kata dasarnya old. So, The word is old. Ya, old. Satu suku kata, old. Satu aja tuh, old. Look at this one. Exciting. Exciting itu ada bersuku kata. Exciting. Ada 3 suku kata.
Ada 3.
Ya, 3 syllable. Contohnya kayak beautiful. How many syllables beautiful? Beautiful. 3 syllables. Nah, berarti, look, kalau dia 2 atau 1 atau 2 suku kata, ya, satu suku kata dia pakai ini, er di belakangnya. Nih, look at this one. So ini tuh put the er, jadi old jadinya older untuk menyatakan lebih, long jadinya longer, slow jadinya slower. Oke, big jadinya bigger, hot jadi hotter, nice nicer, white whiter. Nah, but if the words are more than 2, beautiful jadinya more beautiful. Biasanya seperti itu. Exciting, more exciting. Okay, you got that? Lihat.
Yes, sir.
Number 1, example. My sister is. Pakai apa nih jadinya?
Older.
Older than me. Pakai than-nya jangan lupa. Do not forget the word than here. Ya. And then cars are
Faster than bicycles.
faster than bicycles. We move number 4. I think pasta is
Yes, sir.
nicer than rice. Jangan lupa than-nya.
Yes, sir.
Egypt is
Hotter than Scotland.
hotter than Scotland. I am
Happier than I was yesterday.
happier than I was yesterday. The cinema is
More expensive than the swimming pool.
more expensive than the swimming pool. So this is how it looks. Ini satu lagi nomor 3. Ada yang tidak beraturan ya. Ada yang dia berubah katanya.
Worse.
Misalnya kayak good jadinya bad. Kalau good jadinya better.
Worse.
Kalau bad jadinya
Worse.
worse. Jadi di sini worse. Oke, pakai e belakangnya worse. Jadi 0 is worse than 1 gitu. Ya. That's it about the comparative, and then we move to talk about, ini bisa ngejar waktu nih. We move to talk about the superlative. Ini tadi yang kita bahas. Kalau di komparatif dia pakai more, kalau di superlatif yang menyatakan paling, dia pakai apa nih? The most. Ya, dia pakai the most. Atau
The most.
dia pakai older than, dia pakai the oldest. Di belakangnya ditambahin est. Nih, tallest, the tallest tambahin est. Tadi ya. This is the example. Let's just move to the example. Coba kita lihat yang ini. Sam is the tallest. This one is Sam. Sam is the tallest. Stan is the heaviest. And coba lihat Stan. Stan, yang mana Stan? Ini Stan. Stan katanya the heaviest, yang paling tinggi. Dan paling apa kira-kira? Kelihatan nggak? Let's move to number 2. Kita pilih nomor 2 dulu. Dan. This one is Dan. Dan yang paling apa nih?
Nggak kelihatan, sir.
Oh, nggak kelihatan, nak. Kecil ya?
Kelihatan bisa.
Iya, terus nggak kelihatan.
Oke, just move this
Saya
one.
kira cuma saya.
Oke, I'm so sorry. Nanti kita pindah ke sini deh kalau begitu. Nah, kita pindah ke sini. Can you describe this one? Ini kelihatan?
Still same, sir. Tetap sama.
Serius?
Kalau di sini, sir, tetap itu aja.
Oh, sebentar, saya ini dong. Apa ini salah ya? Ini kelihatan belum?
Sudah,
Kelihatan.
sir.
Ya, coba kita pindah ke nomor 2 dulu nih. We move to number 2, yes, Dan. So this one is Dan. Dan itu apa nih? Dan is yang paling apa dia?
The oldest.
Yang paling tua ya. So which one is tua? Old.
Old.
Tua. Di sini old artinya tua. So for this one bisa ditulis dirinya
The oldest.
atau the eldest biasanya. Kalau usia
The eldest.
ya, kalau usia dia pakai eldest. Oops. Eldest. And yang paling apa? Yang paling kurus. Which one is kurus? Which one is kurus?
Nggak tahu.
Kurus apa kurus?
Nampak, Sir.
Nggak nampak.
Iya, Sir.
Layarnya kok
Nggak nampak, Sir.
Akhirnya gimana?
Hitam.
Hitam semua, Sir.
Wah, hitam semua.
hitam ada
Iya, Sir. Hitam.
Oke, wait. Masih hitam?
masih, Sir.
Masih, Sir.
Masih, Sir.
Ada apa dengan ini layarnya ini? Waduh, kenapa tiba-tiba seperti itu? Oke, this one is better. Masih sama?
Masih, Sir.
Hitam
Masih
ya?
loading, sir.
Masih loading. Aduh. Masih belum dapat ya? Belum kelihatan nggak?
Belum, Sir.
Ini gimana? Masihkah sama?
Masih loading.
Loading, aduh. Ya, kenapa ini?
Sudah, Sir.
Udah ya, sorry.
Sudah, sir.
Yang tadi kita skip, kita masuk ke sini dulu nih. Ini coba bandingkan antara si Bertolt sama si Zek, sama si Aaron, sama Rainer, sama Rotrace, sama Annie,
Ya, itu.
Warhammer. Coba siapa yang out ini? Yang mana yang paling tinggi? Which one is the tallest? Oh, bisa punya. Which one is the tallest?
Nggak nampak, sir.
Sam, Sir. Sam.
Masih yang Sam tadi, Sir.
Iya, sir.
Tadi saya udah.
Hitam.
Udah nampak, sir.
Ini udah
Share screen-nya udah nampak, sir. Tapi masih yang tadi.
Oh iya,
Tempat saya udah yang baru, Sir.
yang Zek, yang ini.
Oh,
Attack
si
Titan.
very lucky anjir.
Ini kelihatan. Attack of Titan-nya.
Kalau di saya belum, sir.
Belum. Aduh.
Saya masih bisa, Sir.
Kalau begitu nanti kita lanjut, nak. Well, I think there is an issue with the technology. Balas Marali mau bahas tentang Jubi dan Attack of Titan. Tapi kita lanjutkan nanti. PPT-nya juga nggak nampak ya jadinya. Saya mau jelasin tentang ini sebenarnya. Sedikit. Adverb. Ya udah. Well, anyway, coba-coba dikerjakan. Waktunya udah habis juga. Coba dikerjakan kuisnya. I already posted in the PPT. In the Google Classroom. Itu kuisnya ada 2 sih. Yang pertama, 1 kuis, tapi ada 2 tipe soal di situ. Yang pertama tentang comparison of adjective ya, yang kita pelajarin tadi. Yang kedua itu tentang adverb. Tapi coba-coba aja dikerjakan adverb-nya. Mana tahu masih bisa. Mana tahu bisa ini adverb of manner pembahasannya. Tapi coba-coba dikerjain aja dulu. Ya. Well, anyway, nanti kita lanjut the next meeting, berarti kalau nggak sempat kita bahas the next meeting, kita akan review sedikit tentang ini. Ya, we're going to review but this one for next week. Terus kita bahas sedikit tentang the text of descriptive. Jadi kalau udah paham ini, nanti kalau diminta untuk buat descriptive text, menulis tentang descriptive text atau menjelaskan tentang deskripsi suatu kejadian, tempat, benda akan lebih gampang. Oke? Thanks for today everyone. See you.
See you, sir.
Thank you.